All right, welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to install this timer into this box. It's meant for an irrigation box, but it's nice because it's got a little power insert in here, so we could just directly mate it into this. And before doing so, we're going to install these things called DIN rails. Illustration of how DIN rails work. So what you would do is you would have this mounted to the back of the box, and then you can just hook onto it as such. Take a flathead screwdriver and kind of lock this in. If you need to take it out ever, just flathead and tilt it out. So mounting it vertically might work out better, because we can then take advantage of the hole that we'll have to drill into the wall. Extend it out in the back a little bit, but we have a little rest here, so it shouldn't affect our final design. Now, while these are convenient in terms of just being able to latch onto the plastic casing, it's not a waterproof connection, so I'm going to swap this out for a what they call a gland system. So these were the glands I was referring to. What you do is you connect this into the opening, and as you tighten this down, you can see the rubber gasket kind of clamps down on the wire. So these are better for well, it creates a more watertight connection. So I'm having a bit of a trouble because I think this is in metric, and we've got a standard opening over here, probably for 1/2 inch. So I have to be creative and open up the hole a little more. It's in times like these that these step drills becomes very handy.